I did a video years ago that has millions of views now where I came up with this idea called the 5% rule. So I took some of those costs. I took property taxes, maintenance costs, and the cost of capital, which is the opportunity cost and the cost of borrowing. I wrapped all that up and said, we've got roughly 1% for property taxes, roughly 1% for maintenance costs, which is probably way too low, as we just talked about. And I said 3% for opportunity cost, which I think is also on the low end. And you put all that together and you get 5%. So I said, okay, if you divide the price of a home by 5% and then divide that number by 12, you will get the monthly rent that is equivalent to the unrecoverable cost of owning that home.
Okay, so let's do that. So I'm thinking of buying a $300,000 house. What's the math that I need to do to figure out if it's better to rent?
Multiply by 5% and then divide that by 12.
Divided by 12, okay.
You're brave. I usually have a rule to never do math live on a podcast.
I can edit, so just in case. Okay, the result is 1,250.
There you go. 1,250 is the equivalent rent where you're roughly break even between renting and owning.